Festival day, you guys hear me back there? Okay, on festival day, it's gonna be chaotic. There's a lot of noise. Right over here, there's gonna be a huge speaker with music, people cheering. Follow the water. All right, get some water. You need some water, get some water.
Can I get the boat to just give me 5 strokes?
That's where your power comes from, is rotation. So we're gonna do a little bit of practice with rotation. I want you guys to really feel how that rotation should feel, what it should look like. It would be easy paddling, but